Alright, let's face it. When you're trying to set up small home stuff or gear for your classroom or store, dealing with a bunch of cables, that can be a total headache. And that's why I gotta give a shout out to this Linovision PoE to USB-C converter. It's one of those things that you didn't know you needed until you tried. Just the one cable gives you both power and data. It's simple like that. And more importantly, not just only PoE, but for the USB-C devices. Alright? No more mesh wires. But here's the cool part. With this Linovision PoE to USB-C converter, now you can use the same tag with the USB-C devices like tablets, smartphones, or computers, so you can ditch the extra power cords, cut down clutter, and keep your setup nice and clean. So here's the deal. This Linovision PoE to USB-C converter takes the standard PoE and flips into the USB-C converter and data. You're getting solid Ethernet speeds and enough juice of power. It's perfect for powering your phone, tablet, or pretty much any USB-C gadget. And let's take a closer look at this converter itself. Supporting IEEE 2.3F and AT PoE standards. So whether you have got a PoE switch or injector, you're good to go. It pumps out up to 20 watts of power, with options for 9 volts at 2.22 amps or 5 volts at 2 amps. And it can handle data at 100 megabits per second. What really makes it shine is how reliable it is. Rock solid, low latency connection that blows Wi-Fi out of water, especially for the stuff like live streaming or real-time monitoring. Oh, and gets this, it can send power and data up to 328 feet. That's huge for big rooms, long hallways, or any setup where outlets are few and far between.